Morning everyone! This is our very last week where we're going to be doing our videos. So yay! That means next week you'll be back in school. But today, alright, we're going to be doing our first maths lesson of the week. Alright, we've got 5 this week. Alright, so this is the first one that we're going to do. And today is Monday. Let's have a go at doing our counting, alright? We're really good at this. Let's see if you can join in with me. Here we are. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, everybody, well done. Let's move on, shall we? Super fast. What's this shape? Shout it out. It's a... Did you say triangle? Then you are correct. This is a triangle because it has what? 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Well done. What's this shape? It's gone again. It was a square. Well done. This is a square, and a square has what? 4 equal straight sides. Well done. And 4 corners as well. What's this shape? Oh, there it is. It's gone. It was a triangle. Well done. Okay, what's this one here? Okay, yes, it's an oblong. Well done. Or rectangle, wasn't it? And what's that word that I really like about this one here and this one here? It's the opposite sides. Well done. The opposite sides are the same length, aren't they? So we've got 2 long and 2 short. Okay, the next one. Here we are. Okay, it says, what is one more than this? This is the number 2. So 1 more than 2 is... Did you say 3? You are correct. Well done. What's this number? It's the number 6. That's right. So this is a 6. And 1 more than 6 is 7. There we go. Right. This is the number what? It's a 4. Well done. And 1 more than 4 is... There we are. It's the 5. Well done. Here we are. This is the number 3. Well done. And 3. So 1 more than 3 is 4. Okay, there we are. Oh, we've got another one here. This is the number 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1 more than 7 is 8. There it is. Okay. Now, last week, can you remember we had those number lines? And it started with 0 and it went all the way up to 10. I've got some number lines on here. See if you can work out what the missing numbers are. Here we go. Here's the first number line. Look carefully. What's the missing number? Shout it out when you're ready. What did you get? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? Because 6 comes after 5 and 6 comes before 7. What about this one? Oh, got 2 missing numbers this time. Can you work it out? Have a look. There's a number missing here, and I'm not going to count this time. I know that after 2 and before 4, it's the number 3. And here, after 8 and before 10, It's the number 9, isn't it? And here we are, this bottom one here. 2 more missing numbers. Do you know what they are? After 6 is 7, but before 9, it's the number 8. Okay, let's have a quick think about how to make number 9, because we looked at 9 last week. Here it is. We're going to start with the 5. What else do I need to go with 5 to make 9? 5 and what? 5 and 4. 5 and 4, that makes 9. Here's 9 again. Ooh, I've got 7 this time. Here's the 7. What else do I need to make 9? 7 and what? 7 and 2. 7 and 2 makes 9. Here it is one more time. This time I've got the number 8. 8 and what? What do I need to make 9? 8 and one more. There we go. Now, have a look at these jars, because I'm going to be thinking about words that we've already learnt. We're thinking about the words more than. So in these jars, I've got some pom-poms. Which jar has more than the other jar? Let's have a look. It is this one here. This jar has more than this jar. Okay. Oh. Which jar now has fewer than the other? Is it this jar or this jar? It is this jar this time. This jar has fewer than this jar. Okay, but now, each jar, it's the same as the other jar, isn't it? So this jar and this jar, they're the same as each other. Okay, what do you think this time though? All right, I'm not going to tell you. All right, what do you think about this jar? What could you tell me about this jar here? What do you think? This jar has fewer than this jar, doesn't it? This jar has fewer than this jar because this has more. Okay, what about this time though? This jar has more than that jar, doesn't it? This jar is more than that jar. What about now? About these 2 jars. What can you tell me about those 2 jars? Not the middle one, but the jars on the end. They are the same. Well done, they're the same as each other, aren't they? Okay, now, I've got some hands here. And what have the hands got? What are they carrying? They've got some buttons, haven't they? Now, I want you to have a little think. Oh, my little robot friend says, can you estimate how many are in each hand? All right, and then we're going to have to think about which is more. So look at the buttons in this hand. Can you subitize how many are there? Look at them. I think there are 3 buttons. This one here. It's a bit trickier, isn't it? But looking at them, I think it might be possibly maybe 5 or 6 or 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's got 6, so we've got 3 and 6. Now, which one has got more? Is it the first hand or the second hand? It's this second hand, isn't it? This hand has more than this hand, doesn't it? Now, what about these ones here? Can you subitize in this one? Here we are. So how many here? Subitize it. It looks like the pattern 4, doesn't it? All right. And what about this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the question says, which has fewer? So is it the first hand or the second hand? It's the first hand this time, isn't it? This one has fewer. Okay. Now, I've got a little job for you. So, have you got some paper nearby? All right. And a pen or a pencil or a wax crayon? All right. Pause the video if you need to. All right. And then you can come back because I've got a little job for you. So, pause the video and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you've managed to find yourself a piece of paper or a whiteboard or something, because I want you to write your name. Have a go at writing your name. Beautiful letters as well, please. All right, we're going to see how good you are at that next week when you come back. Okay, I will pause the video as well, so you can pause while you're writing your name. Okay, welcome back. Now, I want you to tell me the letters that are in your name. So quickly count every single letter in your name so you know how many letters there are. I want you to tell me, does it have more, fewer, or the same amount of letters as, I'm going to get a word to come up on the board here. The word is daisy. So that's one of those lovely flowers that we see in the field, isn't it? So daisy has got this many letters. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters. Now, your name, how many letters does your name have? Shout it out. Okay. Now, that number of letters, is it more than 5? Is it less or fewer than 5? Or is it the same as 5? Okay, see if your grown-up agrees with you. Well done. Right, here's another one. Because I've got another spring flower name. Here we are. Daffodil. There's lots of beautiful yellow daffodils out at the moment. Now, how many letters are in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters in that word. Now, the letters in your name, are they more than 8? Are they fewer than 8? Or are they the same as 8? See what your grown-up thinks. Okay. Right, I can't tell you because I don't know what your name is at home. All right, I can't tell you whether you're right or wrong. You'll need a grown-up to help you maybe with that. Now, this time, here's another spring flower. This is an iris. An iris. Oh, they are beautiful. They're a lovely dark blue, purplish colour. Or the ones in my garden are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters this time. So 4 letters. Is that more than the letters in your name? Is it fewer than the letters in your name? Or is it the same? I'm not sure, but ask a grown-up to tell you. Okay, and if you want to, as well as your name, you could write the names of your mum or your dad or a grown-up who looks after you. You could do your brothers and sisters if you've got them as well. And then you can have a go and see if it's the same or different for you as it is for people in your family. Right, the last one. Oh, this is a long one, isn't it? Let's have a look. Snowdrop. Snowdrop. They're those beautiful little white flowers with a little dangling bit at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the same as daffodil, isn't it? So does that mean you've got the same? Have you got fewer? Or have you got more letters than snowdrop? Don't forget, change the name as well. You could have your middle name if you've got one, or your surname, your last name, or you could try it with a grown-up's name as well, couldn't you? Right, we're going to stop just there and I'll be back with tomorrow's lesson. All right, so I'll take care until then and I'll see you soon. Bye everybody.